Sidhu Moosewala.
Sidhu Moosewala. Let's go. Sidhu Moosewala. Even though he will not understand, but let's go. What do you know in Punjabi?
तू ठीक है guys.
तू ठीक है guys and
I don't. I'm ठीक हूँ.
हैं मैं ठीक हूँ.
मैं ठीक हूँ.
हैं
चलो.
चलो चलो ऊपर.
चलो ऊपर. Let's go up.
Yeah.
चंगा भाई.
चंगा भाई. चंगा भाई.
चंगा वीरे.
चंगा वीरे.
चंगा वीरे.
IELTS in Punjabi, bro.
IELTS in Punjabi.
Yes sir. Good. Come on mate. Hey guys, so right now I feel like I want to shit. So if I do this weight, bro, I might shit on my pants.
That's gonna be very good content, bro. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm good and I hope you all are doing good. How are you?
I'm good, my brother.
What
do you say?
That's it. Just like that. So guys, we are doing today squats and मुझे अभी जस्ट टाइम लगा वर्कआउट करने का.
You already know what's up.
Did not understand. मुझे अभी वर्कआउट करने का टाइम लगा पूरे दिन का वीडियो स्केड्यूल की वजह से. तो अभी लेग डे लगाने लगा हूँ. तो आज सबसे पहले स्क्वाट्स, फिर हैमस्ट्रिंग, फिर हिप थ्रस्ट या लेग प्रेस, फिर उसके बाद लगाएंगे लिंग लेग कर्ल. और मैंने ऑलरेडी वार्म अप कर लिया, फ्रिट्स ने भी वार्म अप कर लिया, बट फ्रिट्स ऐसे इधर उधर घूम रहा था. सो नाउ ही इज गोना ट्राई. ही ऑलरेडी डिड 275. नाउ ही इज गोना ट्राई 3 plates. So let's see if he could able to do it or not. But I'm doing 3 or 4 set of 3 plates. So let's go, bro. अच्छा चल go. So अब ये देखते हैं. Bro, brace your core. Do
Breathe out or in?
Inhale and push your belt and go down, up. Easy. Want to do one more? Push. Yes. That's easy. Nice,
Yes,
bro.
sir.
I told you, bro. If you will do workout with me, you will able to do. Changa Vire.
Changa Bali.
Changa bhai.
So we just hit it 3 plates, bro. I feel big in a sense of like not in a weight type,
Like confident in the
I
sense
feel
of confidence.
Big, like you know, in a sense
Yeah,
of
I got you.
class.
Like more confident.
Like class, bro. Feel so fucking.
This is the first time you're doing 3 plates?
I tried the other time. I failed, bro.
This is the first, bro. I told you, bro.
Changa Viri.
Okay, guys. Now it's my turn to do. Okay, give me the belt.
Yep. All yours. Come on, dog. Yep. Come on. Yep. Up. Maxime, bro.
No. Listen. So right now this is 3rd set of Fritz, and before he was saying I'm not going to do. If I will fail this set, then
Yeah.
I will not feel good. But I told him, if you're not doing, that is failure. If you're trying, that is not failure.
Exactly.
So which song you want to listen?
Sidhu Moosewala.
Sidhu Moosewala. Let's go. Sidhu
Let's
Moosewala.
go.
Even though he will not understand, but let's go. Let's go. 3 reps. Let's go. So guys, समझ नहीं आ रहा इसको गाना.
Shit on my ear, bro.
It's okay. इसको guys गाना समझ नहीं आ रहा बेशक, बट सुनेगा ये सिद्धू मूसेवाला वाला गाना. Okay, let's go. Easy. All yours. Just like that. Sidhu Moosewala songs work. Sidhu Moosewala song works.
Yes, sir. That shit was fire, bro.
That's it.
That shit was fire.
Let's go.
That shit was fire, chat.
The next exercise is RDL Samani deadlift. So I'm gonna do 3 sets, maybe 8 to 10 reps. Let's see.
275.
Don't hold. Oh, look the camera.
Yep. Last one. Come on, mate. Up. Yes, sir.
I'm gonna do 2 more sets of this. Then I'll see you on the next exercise.
Changa.
Sid wants to say something, but you are going to say?
Hey guys, so right now I feel like I want to shit. So if I do this weight, bro, I might shit on my pants.
That's gonna be very good content, bro. Let's go. People are waiting for you to do. Let's go. 5 plates, easy. For Fritz. All the way down. Go all the way down. Yes. 2. Keep going. 3.
Good core strength. Oh, mate. Good, man. Come on. Yes, sir. Good. Come on, mate. Come on. Good, man. 2 more. Come on. Come on. Yep. Up. Last one. Let's go. Yep. Oh yes. Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
So guys, we just did the workout. So how was the workout?
The workout was solid, Chad. Like I said, this is my dream, bro.
What was your dream? 3 plates?
I've been waiting to hit 3 plates on squats my whole life, bro.
And today you did 4 sets of that.
I just did it 4 sets, bro.
4 sets
of 3 reps, bro.
So what was the difference training with me?
Arun, you're the goat, man. No cap.
So
you're the goat, bro.
This is the thing. Most of the people think like, okay, powerlifting is so easy. You only need to do 3 or 4 reps, and that the another shit is very easy, bro. Every sport has their own respect. Every sport is like different.
Every category has its own discipline, bro.
Yeah.
I'm into calisthenics. I can't do human flag, but he can.
Yeah. I'm
stronger on that aspect.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean I'm stronger than him.
Yeah.
Bro is benching 3 plates. I can't even bench that way, bro.
Yeah. So that is the thing. Everybody has their own.
We gotta keep training together, bro.
Yeah.
Gotta keep training. I need to up my strength, up my weights on every aspect, every category.
Your strength.
Bench press, squat, deadlift, all of that. We need to work.
So I'm gonna work more on my core to strengthen my core, because as a power lifter, I would say if your core is strong, you could able to do more squats, more deadlift. In each and every exercise, you could do more weight if your core is stronger. So his core is so strong, that's why he could able to do 3 plates. Maybe it was like RP 8.5 or RP 9, but he could able to do, and it was his first time to doing 3 plates, and he did 4 sets of 3 reps, right? Yeah. And after first set, he was saying, no, I'm not doing second. I said, okay, just last. And after second set, he said, okay, I'm not doing it. I said, just last, third set. And after that, so bro, only 1 set left, 4 sets.
I was gonna flop, bro. I was like, yo, I don't wanna hit failure. And then we did it, bro. That's the thing. That was sick.
So that's the thing. Every sport has their own benefit, own things. So I'm a power lifter. I could do more weight, and he's a calisthenic. His core is strong. Exactly. That's the thing. That's it.
Changa,
bro. Changa. And what else you know? What else you know in Punjabi?
In Punjabi, bro, I know.
So come here. What do you know in Punjabi?
तू ठीक है guys.
तू ठीक है guys, and
I'm ठीक हूँ.
हैं? मैं ठीक हूँ.
मैं ठीक हूँ.
हैं?
चलो ऊपर. Let's go up.
Yeah.
चंगा भाई.
Changa Vire.
IELTS in Punjabi, bro.
IELTS in Punjabi. Yeah. When you want to come in Punjab, you need to do IELTS in Punjabi. Yeah. At least you need 5 band. तो ये देख सकते हैं आप, करणवीर आंखों में स्टीरोड डालते हुए. लोग स्टीरोड टीके ना स्टीरोड लाते हैं, आंखों में स्टीरोड डाल रहा है. ये देखिए,
दूरबीन है मेरी है.
दूरबीन कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. इस हो चुका हूँ मैं फ्री आज के दिन के लिए, और काफ़ी लंबा दिन था. एंड अभी फाइनली घर जाने का टाइम आ गया. थकान बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया मेरे को. बाकी आज गाड़ी की पार्किंग मेरे को अंदर ही मिल गई थी, तो खोलते हैं इसको. कई बार मेरे को ना क्या कहते हैं वो कन्फ्यूज़न होती है, मैं उस साइड से बैठना स्टार्ट कर देता हूँ इंडिया वाले सिस्टम के हिसाब से, बट बैठना तो हम इसी साइड से है. ठीक है गाइस, चलते हैं घर. तो ठीक है गाइस, अभी जस्ट घर पे पहुंच गया हूँ, और थकान भी काफ़ी ज़्यादा हो गई, और बोल के बस हो गया. क्योंकि अभी जो मेरा मैनेजर है, वो कई बार मैनेजर क्या कहते हैं काम पे जब नहीं होता, तो मैनेजर के हिस्से का सारा काम मेरे को करना पड़ता है. जो मेरा काम है वो तो मेरे को करना पड़ता है, पर जो मैनेजर के हिस्से का भी कुछ काम है, जो ट्रेनर्स मेरे से पूछते हैं कुछ भी, जो भी किसी को हेल्प चाहिए, किसी को कुछ, तो सारा मेरे को करना पड़ता है. तो उसकी वजह से डबल काम होता है. और वर्कआउट भी किया अपना एट दी सेम टाइम. वर्कआउट करके मेरे को प्रोटीन पीने का या मील खाने का टाइम नहीं लगा. वर्कआउट मैंने 8 बजे कर लिया था, और अभी 10:30 हो गया. अब तक मेरे को कुछ खाने का टाइम नहीं लगा, इतना ज़्यादा बिजी हो गया था. बट यही है द लाइफ ऑफ पर्सनल ट्रेनर इन कनाडा. ठीक है, तो ठीक है गाइस, आई होप आपको वीडियो बढ़िया लगी होगी. अगर आपको वीडियो बढ़िया लगी और आपको लगा कि यार बंदा हार्ड वर्क कर रहा है, वर्कआउट भी कर रहा है, सारा कुछ कर रहा है, ब्लॉगिंग भी कर रहा है, और कंसिस्टेंट भी है रोज़ वीडियो डालने के लिए, तो आप ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं मैं बोल रहा, सिर्फ सब्सक्राइब कर दो मेरा चैनल. अगर ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइब किया, लाइक और कमेंट कर दो, और अगर आपने नहीं सब्सक्राइब किया तो सब्सक्राइब कर दो. तो ठीक है गाइस, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में. तब तो अपना ध्यान रखिए.